What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on this glueless wig install, very Beyonce inspired blonde highlighted wig from Ashimary Hair. Make sure you go follow me on my TikTok if you're not already following me, because this is a TikTok that I posted, and I post all mini tutorials over there before I even get into the full detailed tutorial on YouTube. But I will be showing y'all how I install this wig, curls, layers, everything beginning to end. This is a 26-inch 5x5 HD lace closure, 250% density from Ashimary Hair, and it comes colored, comes pre-styled. As you can see straight out the box, it has these beautiful curls, and the lace comes pre-cut for you, pre-plugged, literally no work, and it comes with a bunch of goodies, as you can see, for the entire install. Everything that you need. You really don't even have to do anything. So yeah, let's get into this install. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you want to know the details on this wig that I have on currently, how I got the cut, style, all that good stuff, make sure to go check out my last video already up on my channel. I'll also leave the little link to the video in my description box down below. When I was doing my last install, I burned the heck out my forehead. Like, it's so bad and it hurts so bad, and I just knew it was going to scar. But it's okay. If you want to also know the details on my makeup look, that video will be up on my channel if it's not already up. So that's why you want to go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can be aware of all the stuff that's dropping. Not too much on my stain on my shirt. I really be trying to like make sure I look nice and clean and presentable for you guys, but you know, it just never fails. Here's the wig. You guys should have already seen what it looked like in the beginning, but she's gorgeous. I love it. First impressions is that it's gorgeous. I love Ashimary Hair. I've worked with them a few times. I've never had their straight hair. I actually always get their curly hair, but this is beautiful. The colorway is beautiful. Highlights are gorgeous. It came pre-styled. Now, none of the other glueless wigs that I've received so far has come pre-styled, so I really like that. This is so good for my beginner girlies and so good for like people who just are good with curls. Like, look at that, it's gorgeous. 5x5 HD lace closure. I also like how they zigzag cut the lace. Some of the wigs that I've gotten so far, they cut the lace straight across, so I am impressed by their craftsmanship here. This is something that we do when we, do our own wig installs and we make our own glueless wigs. That's something that we're gonna do, is cut zigzag. The knots are really small. They don't need to be bleached or anything. It came pre-plucked. I do like the hairline. The hairline is actually nice. Elastic band, adjustable elastic band at that, and it's a 5x5. So we're gonna go ahead and get into it. I did go ahead and tighten up my elastic band because I know that with these glueless wigs, I've been getting a lot of these, so I've been like, doing trial and error. You want to make sure it's as tight as possible so you can get a good melt on your lace. I usually don't like blonde wigs that have like light brown roots because I feel like it makes my skin look all one tone, but this is actually a nice brown color. It's not too light, so I do like that. I have really nothing to say. There's a few little tabs here, like little side tabs. I want to go ahead and cut that off. I think the lace is really good. I haven't put any makeup on it and it's blending pretty good. So we're gonna go ahead and with hot comb and hot comb the hairline back. This is my Sebastian Shaper hairspray, and if you know, you know. You really don't have to lay it down as far as the middle goes, but these little side pieces here are going to be flipped up. They're flipping up. There's not enough tension holding it down. You have to make sure you cover that part, cut that part off, or just spray some hairspray on it. I don't want to cut the lace on this too much. I don't want to cut the closure too far and not have enough closure space. So I'm going to go in with my black even can and just spray these little corners down. I'm taking my Ruby Kisses level 12 because with my makeup, the level 12 matches better. And actually, no, I'm lying. The lighter side. The lighter side. I normally use the darker side, which is this one that I'm hitting the pan on. But I'm going to use the lighter side. This one matches my makeup better. I'm just going to take a small brush and I'm just brushing over the edge of the lace. I mean, for the most part, the lace is blending in. I'm just trying to make it completely seamless so you can't see anything.
Back to Georgia, back to Atlanta. Funny how present turns past.
And you don't want to leave it like this, y'all. Make sure you're blending your parts in so they don't look crazy just sitting there. You don't have to go back in with spray. That's not what's holding the wig down. The wig is really barely held down. I just did that to kind of get that more seamless effect with the lace, considering that the way that this one was made, the elastic band, like the adjustable strap that they put on the inside, is not really pulling the wig tight to make the lace lay all the way down. It's laying down, but you would either have to cut more off or put some spray on to just make it a little bit more seamless. So I decided to just put some spray on the tail end of my comb. I sprayed it instead of using my finger because my finger gets really dirty like that. So I sprayed the end of the comb and just melted it in. I feel like that worked a lot better and did my part. So now we're just gonna do some additional styling. I like the curls. I like to use my mousse to lay down the top of my wigs, just like you would get during a little sew-in or whatever, because I feel like it lays the hair a lot better. Strange new addictions, up on the road, change my opinion, change on my flows, change my approach, up in these homes and play, it rains and it pours, hey, you make me feel. And we're gonna take our razor comb and just do layers in the front because the hair is already curled. You're gonna be able to see where the hair is sitting at a lot easier than if you didn't. So taking the razor comb and I'm just gonna cut where I want my layers to be. I think I'm gonna do like, I don't like super long layers. I want them to stop maybe here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start them right there. I like that. Really, you don't even have to do additional styling. You could just leave it like this after cutting the layers because it's sitting like The hair is sitting, the layers are sitting just fine. You really don't have to add anymore. If you want more layers throughout your hair, you totally can add them. I'm just doing face framing layers just to keep it simple. So I'm gonna do it on the other side as well. And I think I am gonna just add some curls to the front just to touch up and kind of just freshen up the curls that are already there. And the layers that I've cut, I want the hair to be bigger. If you curl your hair first, it's easier. I don't curl my hair first just because I can see it. When I'm doing the cut, I feel like I can see how it's shaping already. I don't really have to do that. But if you're a beginner, it's easier to cut your layers once you've already curled your hair because you can see like, okay, I like where this is sitting at. And I'm just gonna take my T3 and just curl the front pieces so I have a little bit more volume. Like, you really didn't even have to do nothing. You could have just put it on. I love how they had it styled. They literally sold a ready-to-wear wig. I love that it was styled. The hair quality is nice. This hair is soft. It's not shedding. Running my hands through it, it's not dry. Considering the blonde color, it's not dry at all. It's not a whole bunch of frizzies. I think, you know, with this type of color, it's hard to see the plucking. I could see it on my hand. I thought it was good. As far as it being on my skin, like I said, this hair color, for some reason, when I put it on, this and like a copper reddish brown color, I can never see the plucking. I think it's too close to my skin tone, but it does look really good. It looks natural. Yeah, so this is the final look. Let me give y'all a good view of the full length of the hair. I mean, it's absolutely gorgeous. The layers are sitting perfectly. I think I cut more off of this side right here than this side, but I mean, someone with a blind eye wouldn't be able to tell. But I love it. The hair is so long. I think this is actually like a 26-inch or maybe even a 28. I mean, it comes all the way down here like this. It's super long, but the color is gorgeous. I thought I wasn't gonna like the color because, like I said, the roots are kind of light, but I actually really love it. I haven't had a wig this color in like 2 years. When I say I'm trying to get wigs together for you guys to put back on the site so y'all can get wigs, I already have like 10, maybe even like, I'm probably gonna have like 20 for real by June. All the ones I've received so far, the packaging of this wig was more like a ready to wear unit. There was more stuff in the box. They had the razor in there to cut the lace, the ball cap, edge brush, elastic band. I mean, just everything that you need to have a good installs. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I can't keep my hands off this hair, and I really just can't even focus. It looks so good, so much better than I was expecting it to look. When I go to pick up my daughter, they be like, oh my gosh, you look so nice, blah blah blah. And I'm always changing my hair because of the, you know, wig installs and stuff, but they don't know what I do. Be very, very confused, but I may have to put this one back on because she's giving. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. The notification bell so you can see when I post, because I'm never on a schedule. And I'll see y'all in my next video.